My homemade engine support stand. Just a couple pieces of electrical strut, and I just made a couple brackets, and I bolted it right there to strut support, and then I come off of the middle. Was able to bolt it to a hole right here in front of the support on right in front of the radiator. And then I don't have the front chained yet, but there's the back of it chained. I just got it chained through a hook with a bolt through it right into the engine block. I'll do the same in the front. Getting ready to take this transmission out.